Welcome students. My name is Varsha Mane, Swami Ramananda Junior College, Tasgaon. Students, today we are going to learn our English new topic, that is section number 4.1, History of Novel. Novel, it is a type of literature. Students, in 11th standard we also studied about one type of literature, that is drama. In this way, today we are also learn a new type of literature, that is novel. So what is a novel? This question comes in your mind. Students, the novel is the most popular form of literature. Today it depicts human life in various manners. म्हणजे काय तर वेगवेगळ्या गोष्टी कशा घडतात आणि त्याचा मानवी स्वभावावरती, मानवी जीवनावरती कसा परिणाम होतो याचं वर्णन ज्या साहित्य प्रकारामध्ये केलं जातं त्या साहित्य प्रकारालाच नॉवेल म्हणजेच मराठीमध्ये कादंबरी असं म्हणतात. सो लेट अस सी द नॉवेल. The novel as a literary genre has a history of about 2000 years. Novel, a collection of tales known as Greek romance dating from the 2nd to 4th century. Students, the spread of machines could provide a time to the educated middle class for reading and discussion about the books, and drama and poetry were also two literary forms, but novel was a combination of some features of them. It was prominent from in the 18th century. Murasaki Shikibu's Tales of Genji has been described as the world's first novel. It is a very important novelist because he has been described as the world's first novel. The European novel is often said to begin with Don Quixote by Spanish writer Miguel de Cervantes, which has published in two parts between 1605 and 1615. In the 18th century, the appearance of newspaper and magazines attracted a large number of readers from the middle class. म्हणजे या काळामध्ये काय झालं तर मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये वाचक वर्ग या नॉवेल या प्रकाराकडं आकर्षला गेला आणि त्यामुळे या सेंचुरीमध्ये नॉवेल हा प्रकार मोठ्या प्रमाणात लिहिला गेला. The contribution of women novelists also not less. To this great pigment cannot be neglected. The novel of Manners, Evelina by Frances Burney. Afterwards, some woman novelist, that was Virginia Woolf. She is the pioneer of the stream of consciousness techniques in English novel. Then Bronte sisters Emily and Charlotte have created their own place by their incomparable works. In this way, in English novel, there are major contribution of woman novelist also. Next point is Indian scenario. Rajmohan's Wife by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, serialized in the Indian Field, was the first novel in English written by an Indian. The period after that is marked by few more novels written by the Indian writers. Novelists like Anita Desai, Nayantara Sehgal, Arun Joshi, Vikram Seth, Kiran Nagarkar. These are the some Indian English writer, and this novelist gives more contribution in English literature. R.K. Narayan, Mulakraj Anand, Raja Rao were the major trio novelists. These all Indian novelists changed the current of Indian English novel through their works. Novella. A novella, the word originated from the Italian word novelli, is a type of prose fiction which is shorter than a full length novel and longer than short stories. It is a well structured yet short narratives, often satiric or realistic in tone. It usually focuses on one incident or issues with one or two main characters and takes place at a single tradition. Now followings are the some novellas in English. First is The Heart of Darkness by Joseph Conrad. Second is The Turn of the Screw by Henry James. Third one is Belly Bird by Herman Melville. Next, Death in Venice by Thomas Mann. Next, Seize the Day by Saul Bellow. And the last, Pearl by John Steinbeck. Students, these are the some famous novels in English. In this paragraph, we learn about the term novella, the word novella, and type of prose of novella.